It was a busy afternoon down under the coral reef. Everyone was getting ready for the community talent show. The pufferfish were practicing their fancy moves all afternoon. And the sharketeers were practicing their nose dives. Everyone was busy, except Olly the octopus, who didn't know what to do. Olly felt bad. He watched everyone practice, but he didn't know what to do for the talent show. So he went home to talk to his wife. So Olly swam home to tell his wife, "Darling, everyone has a talent for the community talent show except for us. I would like us to be in the talent show. Do you think there's anything we can do?" "Well, darling, you always have your mouth open singing for awe. Why don't we harmonize together? You could sing your low ah notes, and I could sing my middle oh notes, and then little baby ooh. Little baby ooh, where are you?" "Right here, Mama." Little baby ooh can sing her little ooh notes, the little high ones. "Well, that's a great idea. I think we should start rehearsing right now. Okay, so I will sing the low ah notes with my wide open mouth. And, darling, you'll sing the oh notes with your big lips, nice and round, and little ooh, you'll sing your little high baby ooh notes. Is everyone ready?" "Why, certainly we are." And so the octopus family practiced all afternoon. "Okay, now, here we go." And okay, little ooh, let's not go up quite so high, and we shall try it again. "Okay, Dad." "All right, now, I start first. Are you ready? Here we go." And okay, little ooh, let's not go up or down. Just hold your note in one spot. Okay, Dad, I'll try." "All right, are we ready?" "Yeah, I'm ready." And perfect. Now let's keep practicing. And so the octopus family practiced all afternoon, and weeks went by, and they were practicing week by week until they were ready for the talent show. Welcome, welcome to our annual talent show under the sea. Our first contestants are the lovely Lady Pufferfish. Woohoo! Good job, Pufferfish! Thank you, ladies. And our next contestants are the Sharketeers. Good job, Sharketeers! Woohoo! Good job! And now, last but not least, are the Singing Octopus Family. And all. And all. And all. And all. And all. And all. Woohoo! Yay! Good job, Octopus Family! All right, well done, Octopus Family. And now, you need to cast in your votes so we can see the winners of the talent show. All right, the votes are in. In first place, we have none other than the Puppeteers. Woo! And in second place, we have the Octopus Family. Woohoo! And last but not least, we have the Sharketeers. Woohoo! And thank you for coming to our annual Under the Sea talent show. The Octopus Family went home very happy. That was really fun, Dad. Oh, darling, it really was. Oh, yes, it was. And just remember, you don't have to win to have fun. Yeah, it was really fun. Let's do it again next year. Why, certainly. We should always sing together. I will be the ah, and I will be the O, and I'll be the ooh for baby ooh. And the Octopus Family had fun singing always together. Hi guys! So today we're talking about the letter O. The letter O has 3 sounds, but think of the Octopus Family. They sang together all the time. The Papa sang ah with a really wide open mouth. Look in the mirror and do it yourself. Ah, which is the first sound that O makes. And then the Mama, who was Mrs. O, sang oh. Her mouth made a big fat circle like a Cheerio, and it was orange. Oh. And then little baby ooh, she had a little tiny mouth. Ooh, a little tiny hole. And so that's all you really need to remember is how they sang together. Look in the mirror and do it for yourself. Ah, oh, ooh. Oh, hello there. It's me, Ellie. How are you today? Okay, so we're going over the letter O. As you know, this octopus always has a big, wide open mouth and says, ah. And this is Mrs. O, which is also the name of the letter. And her lips always look round, like a Cheerio and full, and orange, O for orange. And then there's baby Ooh, who has a little tiny mouth. Ooh, like that, okay? And so, goodbye, Octopus Family. We're going to get out a marker, a dark marker so you can see, and get out our cover letter sheets. Okay, and so if my assistant will pull that down a bit. Okay, you can put the O on top. All right, we're going to do a little O. This only takes up 1 space, not the top. Oh, no. This line is just going to say, ah. like Mr. Ollie's big mouth, okay? Starting at the cherry, go all the way around. It's a circle. And then go ahead and try it again. Ah, 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 ah. Very good. And then we're going to do the O for orange, like Mrs. O's orange's lips, okay? Start at the cherry. O. O. Oh, okay. And this is in a cover letter sheet, so you can wipe it off. And then we're going to flip it over. Okay, and so now we have a little baby ooh, and you can see the little hole in there. Okay, so here we go. Start the cherry and say ooh. 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 Okay, good job. And now we have big O's, which takes up 2 spaces. Start at the cherry. And that's ah. Okay, and then this one, start at the cherry. And that's oh. Start at the cherry. And that's ooh. Okay, good job. Voila. Hi, guys. I got a surprise for Ellie. Oh, Ellie, I got a surprise for you. Coming, Jerome. Don't tell her. It's something I made. Yes, Jerome. All right, see this little guy? You gotta pull him out. Oh, he's so cute. There you go. Okay, guess what it is, Ellie? Well, I think it's an ostrich. A very cute one, too. Yes, this is an ostrich. Now, does it start with an ah? Or an O? Or an ooh? Ah for ostrich, O for ostrich, or ooh for ostrich. Oh, Jerome, don't be silly. It's an ostrich. We don't say O for ostrich or ooh for ostrich. So it's ah with the big wide open mouth. Ah for ostrich. Awesome. Good job, guys. Hi, guys. It's me, Jerome. It's time for letter art. Yeah, my favorite. Okay, so we're going over the letter O today, as you know, which has 3 sounds, but remember our characters. Ah, for Ollie the octopus who sings ah with a big wide open mouth. O for Mrs. O who has orange Cheerio lips, and baby ooh. Okay, so we're going to draw all 3 of them. Okay, so here we go. We're going to draw a big loop. Okay, and then legs. Okay, now big mouth. Oh yeah, that's big, all right. And some dots for some eyes. Maybe some thick eyebrows. Little nose. Okay, and a bow tie. Okay, there's ah for Ollie. Okay, now Mrs. O. Legs. Okay, big eyes, eyelashes. Okay, get the, well, you can do that later. Let's do baby ooh. A loop, legs. Okay, little dot for mouth. Okay, little nose. Some eyes. Little curl. Okay, now we're gonna get an orange marker. Color Mrs. O's orangey lips. Okay, and let's do a little purple curl for baby ooh. Okay, now you can color these the way you want. But there we go. We've got ah, we've got O, and we've got ooh, baby ooh. Good job, guys. Oh, hello there. I'm Ellie, the weather girl. Today, our forecast here at Ellie and Jerome studio is going to be sunny and very hot. Oh, I'm sweating already. Very sunny. We need hot. Hot! Hot! It's very hot today. And so, for a complete list, or almost complete, of words today, here is a list. Take a photo. Good job. Voila.